Well, it's time to harvest the honey. So the two harvesters get all suited up, get ready to go, get their smoker going, and off they go to the hive, just moving right along. And they are approaching very gently to the hive, trying to figure out, well, exactly how are we going to do this? How should we start? And they get there, and it's taken them forever to get out of the golf cart and get over to the hive. I think they're either praying or trying to figure out how to get it done. Well, Nana starts out. She looks back and she goes, well, are you coming or not? And so finally he gets out. They look at the hives, they pull the top off, and then they start removing the frames out of the hive, and they start putting them in this box that you see here, and then they're getting ready to get them all out, start putting them in, and carry them up to the place where we're going to spin them out. Once they get them all out, you can tell just how much the bees were all over them. These were really, we call them ninja bees. They were really aggressive. And all of us, practically all of us, got stung. These two got stung through their suits a couple of times during the process. And these were just really mad bees. And normally they aren't that way. We think we may have those African bees, and that may be the reason that they're so aggressive. But anyway, they get them all out. They're brushing the bees off of the frames prior to putting them in the box that we're going to use to carry them down. But you can just see how they're swarming, just how they're everywhere, all over them. Well, we put the frames in and we start spinning out the honey, and we can you can just see how that was. And then we had a reserve come in and helped out going to the other hive to get the other honey. But we got about 50 pounds of honey and ended up with something like 65 honeybee, the little honey bears, and it was just crazy.